everyone, for those of you that don't know me, I'm Miss Deck, and today I thought instead of making a video for the kids, I would make a video for parents or teachers that might be feeling a little bit stressed out right now and just need a way to relax and maybe a way to create something. So today, I thought I could show you how we create this flower. And guess what? You probably have these things if you're a teacher for sure. All you need is Post-it notes, and you can have any colors that you would want your flower to be. You'll need glue, and then for the back of it, you'll just need a piece of cardstock or a piece of heavier paper so that they can all stick onto it and stay on well. But to do this, all you're going to do is take your Post-it note and you're going to roll the two sides together to look like this. And since it's a Post-it note and it already has the sticky part, it will stay just like that as is. But for some extra security, you're just going to add some glue right here on the edge of the sticky part where it already is sticky, and add some glue, and then you'll put that down, and there you go. And then you'll see in all the video clips how I put it together.